Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys? Here we have a 2014 Nissan Versa. We're going to be doing a video today. If you need any parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. I'm going to remove these push pin clips. There's 5 of them on the top of the bumper. I'm going to use a clip removal tool. Just get in here, pry it up. You can also use a trim tool to remove these. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky. Pry that center part up and then pull it up. And we'll do the same for the others. Now that's all loose. Now we're going to raise and support the vehicle. We're using a 2-post lift. You can use a jack and jack stands. So we're going to remove some of these fasteners. There's one here. There should be one here. There's some push pins, some 10mm bolts, and some more push pins in this vehicle. Yours may be different. So we're going to start with this Torx screw. This is a T20. We're going to take these 10mm bolts out. The 10mm socket, an extension, and ratchet. Now we're going to use our trim tool and remove these push pins. Remove this clip as well. There. There's one right here. This one right here. This panel right here is broken, so yours may look different. Now we're going to lower the vehicle a little bit. Next, I'm going to take some of these trim clips out. I'm going to use my trim tool, remove these. You can turn the wheel back and forth based on whether it's in your way. This one is missing. There's another one up here. Pull that one out. Another one right here. You can peel this away a little bit. We don't have to take the whole inner fender well out. Just so we can access. Right underneath here, there's a bolt. Goes up. It's a 10mm bolt. You use a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Pull that out. We're going to do the same for the other side. Once those two bolts are out on the side, I'm going to grab the side of the bumper and just pull that out. There's some clips right in there that hold it in. And we're going to do the same for the other side. Just forcefully pull it out. And you can grab the top of the bumper. And if you had fog lights, you would disconnect them now. And pull the bumper right out. I'm going to reinstall the bumper, line it up on the sides a little bit, get the top in. If you're struggling, you can always use a partner to help you. Get it in up top, hold it there. We want to clip it into the sides. Same with the other side. Just like that. Before I clip it in, I'm gonna slide this. This panel has to go underneath on the bumper. Just like that. And we're gonna install this 10mm screw. It goes right here. Line that up. Tighten it up with our 10mm socket, extension, and ratchet. And we'll do the same for the other side. And we're going to line this inner fender well up. Push the push pins back in. We'll do the same on the opposite side as well. Another one right there. Put another one right here. Right, before I put this up in the air, we're going to slide this underneath. So that's lined up. All right, that's good. All right, now we're going to install this fastener here. This panel is broken, so this just happens to be a T20 Torx screw. Yours may be different. Just snug that one up there. There's one missing here. And then right here we have a 10mm bolt that goes there. There may be one there on your vehicle. Same with there. Skip that one because that one's not there. We're gonna line this up a little bit. Pull that out. Install this 10mm bolt here. Then we'll snug those up. Snug that up. This had push pins in before. Your vehicle may have some screws that hold it in, but for whatever reason this vehicle had push pins. We're going to reinstall these push pins. Install these push pins as well. Now on top, we're going to install the push retainers. We have 5 of them. Line them up and push them down. Pull down the prop rod, close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.